Today on World Famous Foods, we're making a bacon, egg, and cheese quesadilla. Let's cook. Okay, so we got 3 eggs. That's actually a double yolk. That's why it looks like 4. Add some salt. A little black pepper. Scramble this up. Alright folks, gonna add some butter to hot pan. Oh yeah. Put our eggs in. Alright folks, now we're gonna add our tortilla. Oh yeah. A little bit oversized, but that's okay. Alright, now we're going to flip this. Alright. Okay, now we're going to add our bacon. And our cheese. Now we're going to fold this. Look at that, look at that. Now we're going to flip this because we browned the other side already. Okay folks, there we have it. Bacon, egg, and cheese quesadilla. All right, just cut this up. That's all we need right there, folks. Look at that. Enjoy.